Hey class, it's Miss Wright, and we're going to be writing 2 sentences using our new vocabulary words from Animal Ears. So I think I'm going to write about our bear and his ears. So to start my sentence, it has to be with a capital letter, T, the, word while word, B, air, the bear. And let's think about his ears. They were small, they were round. I'll put the bear had, word while word, H-A-D, had, owl. You have your O and your U working together to make the owl sound. And ears. And I'm going to end my sentence with a period. Let's look at our sentence. The bear had round ears. Go ahead and take a second and write your sentence. Okay? Let's think about another sentence using our vocabulary words. We had a cat with striped ears. So I'm going to start with a capital letter, T, and I'm just going to copy this word, the cat, the cat had long I, striped ears, and end with a period. So let's look at our 2 sentences. The bear had round ears. The cat had striped ears. Just take a second. Do your best quality work. Start with a capital letter and end with a period.